In this video for the Beacon Hill Dollhouse construction, I'm going to go over some of the finishing details during the conclusion of construction. One of the things I had to consider after completing the house is where this should be placed. I contemplated several areas around the house, but I decided to try this in the landing platform of the stairway. At first, I thought this was going to be too big and required that I construct an extended shelf. However, after orienting this toward the stairs, I was able to make this work. I previously placed the Greenleaf Glencroft in the same position, but I moved this down to the smaller lower platform so the Beacon Hill could take the larger platform. This turned out to be a good choice since this adds to the dollhouse collection. After getting this into position, I decided to commemorate this with a house number and chose to use the year of completion 2018 as the house number. I found the dollhouse numbers online and the digits are popped out of a molded string of numbers. I then glued these to the body of the house under the porch light. On the inside, I kept thinking that the staircase could use a rounded newel post cap. I went to the local hobby store and found some small wooden knobs that looked about the right size. I stained these to match the staircase and added polyurethane. Before making the addition, the bottom of each knob was sanded to clean up and flatten the gluing surface. This also reduced the height of the standoff, which helped to incorporate the piece into the staircase. These were glued to the flat caps that were part of the assembly kit. One detail that was discussed during the construction of the doors and windows is worth repeating. The diamond pattern found in all the clear plastic pieces used as the window panes was treated with a product called gallery glass. This goes on milky but dries clear. I used this sparingly on the inside facing panes. The etch side is faced outwards. This nicely captures and distorts the light, giving the panes a beveled glass appearance. I am primarily interested in the construction and architecture of the building and do not pay a great deal of attention to the interior decorating. However, I staged a few pieces of dollhouse furniture on the inside. Thanks for watching.